What if achieving business excellence wasn't just an aspiration, but a necessity for survival in today's relentless market? Here's the truth. Organizations that master business excellence don't just outperform competitors, they set the standards that others struggle to reach. Business excellence, also referred to as BEX, is more than a buzzword. It's the disciplined ability to align vision, strategy, people, and culture to deliver outstanding results, time after time. At its heart, excellence demands clarity, clear direction, clear goals, and precise measurement of progress. Without this alignment, even the most innovative organizations risk losing focus and stagnating. Frameworks like the Australian Business Excellence Framework and the Baldrige Excellence Framework give leaders a battle-tested playbook. These models turn vague ambitions into concrete action, defining what success looks like and measuring both the what and how of your performance. Tools like balanced scorecards translate strategies into actionable metrics, while benchmarking exposes exactly where you stand among the best. And through stakeholder engagement, leaders ensure every voice shapes your journey to excellence. But the engine behind lasting excellence is people. Leadership development programs ignite the potential of your team, while regular culture assessments ensure your values drive daily behaviors, not just slogans on the wall. Excellence is not a destination, it's a culture of relentless improvement. In the race to the top, only those who build systems for continual excellence will thrive. The choice is urgent and clear: evolve now, or risk being left behind. Which path will your organization choose?